Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Y'all, I am so excited about this grocery haul because I was able to get everything you see here for less than $5. And I think that is fantastic. Tons of food, and I know food deals make you happy. So I am gonna share step by step exactly how I did each of these deals. If you are new here, welcome. So glad that you are subscribed. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that little red subscribe button. And I say this because one, I want you here, but also I am currently doing a giveaway. So 2 lucky winners will get a $50 gift card, and you can get yourself entered in that giveaway over on my Walgreens video that I posted on Sunday. If you are a Walgreens shopper, Walgreens deals are like fire this week, so definitely check out not just the video I posted on Sunday, but I posted a second video on Monday because the deals were so good. Okay, but let's focus on Walmart. I did quite a few Ibotta deals as well as some Brandclub deals. It was an app that I mentioned to you last week or 2 weeks ago, but I've been playing with it like I said I would, and I'm gonna give you some insight into that app in this haul as well. Okay. Some people were telling me y'all wanted to see some diaper deals. So this one was crazy simple. You just buy the Love's diapers at $5.47. And then on Ibotta, there are 2 different rebates. There's one for $2 back on a Love's diaper product. And then there was a 10-cent rebate on any diaper product. So I got $2.10 back, making my final cost for this just $3.37. But if you are a Brandclub user, this is one of their brands. So I got additional cash in my account for purchasing this. It is a locked offer, but I'm going to tell you how to unlock those offers here in just a moment. Now, Brandclub, if you're not using it already, it is just for Apple users. Hopefully that changes in the future, but I will drop my link down in the comments below because if you use my link, you're going to get $10 automatically when you sign up, and then you get additional money when you start doing other things within the app. Super awesome. Again, I'm going to be telling you more about that in the video. Okay, another easy peasy awesome deal is on the One by Poise pads and liners. These are priced at $5.47. You want to grab 2 of them. And there are $2 coupons that I will link for you down in the description box. So you can use 2 of those $2 coupons and you will pay $6.94 and then get back $4 on Ibotta, $2 for each of them, and then check your Fetch Rewards app because I had $4 back when I purchased 2 on Fetch Rewards, so that made my final cost completely free and $1.06 moneymaker on both of these, which was incredible. I'm going to keep going with some simple Ibotta offers. So the all free and clear. This detergent is $3.47, but it attached to multiple rebates. So I got a whole $2.10 back when I purchased this, making the detergent just $1.47. So great price. Y'all know I love the Minute Rice Cups. I mentioned this in my video. Now I think I'm gonna stop mentioning the products that I like because I went to get the one that I like, just the brown rice. It was completely gone. So in my head, people are watching my video and then they're going and buying it and now I can't get it. So I did grab the brown and wild rice this time. It is $1.78. It's only a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, so it's $1.53, but this is a product that I would be buying anyway. So I went ahead and did it. That way I could get the Ibotta offer as well as it counting towards my Ibotta bonus this week. I had a $1 midweek moneymaker bonus when I did 10 offers, which I did hit, but then I unlocked a special one yesterday. So if you haven't logged into the Ibotta app, log in real quick because it asks you to choose which team you think is gonna win and football team, and when you choose, Okay, I'm gonna just say this real quick. I think it's football, but I'm honestly not 100% sure, but I'm assuming it is. When you choose a team, it unlocked another bonus, and mine was $10 for 42 offers. Okay, I also grabbed the minute rice. Again, my store was out of the brown rice. I got the jasmine, which was just a little bit more expensive. So if you want the cheapest option, grab the white rice. The jasmine was $2.18. I had an Ibotta offer for 50 cents back, making my final cost just $1.68. I think that was it on the Ibotta offers. Let's talk about Shopkick. So Shopkick is a great app. If you're not using it yet, I do have a complete tutorial on it that you can check out. Also, grab it using my referral code because you're gonna get an additional $5 when you scan your first receipt. So I grabbed this ground turkey, and as you can tell, I already threw it in the freezer. But the 85% lean is $2.77. Now on Shopkick, there's an offer for $2.08 back when you scan the product in the store, and then when you buy it and submit your receipt. So that makes my final cost for this pound of turkey just 69 cents, which is an awesome price. And I know people are always asking me for deals on meat and produce. So there you go. There is a great deal on meat. If you like hot dogs, so these are $2.52, the Oscar Mayer hot dogs. Check your Shopkick app, see if you have this rebate. The weird thing about this one is some parts of my area, the rebate is there. If I drive to another part of town, the rebate goes away. So definitely check your app, but there is a rebate for $1.66 back on Shopkick, making these just 86 cents. And then I got the Tillamook cheese. This is normally $3.98. There was a Shopkick offer for $2.30 back, making this just $1.68. So you can see why paying less than $5 for all this stuff made me super happy. Okay, I think that was everything here. Let's talk about Brandclub because the rest of these items are Brandclub offers. So if you're an Apple user and you don't have the app yet, grab it with my link. You're gonna get $10 automatically. You have to verify your email. Once you get in there, you can sync your Amazon, Target, and Walmart accounts if you want to. I went ahead and synced all three of them, and I've been playing around with it to see how to make the app work for me. So I'm gonna tell you about Walmart. Go into the app. Look at surveys. So in those surveys, you are gonna see different brands. Pick the brand that has the products that you purchase. Like we purchase the yogurt and this Pepperidge Farm bread all the time. Same with the Barilla pasta. So I took those surveys. You can do 3 surveys a day. And the surveys are crazy fast. They're like 8 to maybe 12 questions each. Maybe takes me 45 seconds to do them, but they give you like $2.25 or $2.75. But when you complete them, they are considered locked rewards. That means you cannot cash them out yet. How you unlock them is you go purchase one of the products. Okay, and once you purchase the product, it unlocks that money that you can then cash out. So I paid a couple of ways to mess with it for you guys. I paid with my credit card that was associated with my Walmart account that is synced to Brandclub, and I got the money back. Okay, it recognized my purchases. I also paid with Walmart Pay, and it recognized my purchases. So you can pay either way. You can't physically like scan a receipt and submit to Brandclub. It has to be paid with either Walmart Pay or using the credit card that is associated with your Walmart account. Once you check out, there is a button that says sync. I know it seems weird to sync your account again, but you have to hit sync and then it like scans it to see what you have purchased and then it unlocks that money for you to then cash out. All of that I just said takes longer than actually doing the process. It's really actually quite simple. You just have to get into the habit of doing it. So I had done a survey for the Yoplait yogurt. That gave me a locked reward of $3. Then I went and purchased this yogurt at 64 cents. When I synced my account, it gave me that $3. So that made this item completely free and a $2.36 moneymaker. Now, did the same thing with the Kraft. Took the survey, then went shopping, grabbed this Kraft mac and cheese at $2.88. That survey that was locked at $2.25 became unlocked for me to cash out, making this free and a $1.37 moneymaker. Now, it doesn't have to be mac and cheese. It could be any Kraft product. Okay, that's the beauty of Brandclub. It's related to the brands that you purchase. So this bread, my kid loves this bread, and it's $3.12 for this little loaf of bread. Now, I had done the survey. That was $2.75. I went and purchased the product, which then unlocked that $2.75, making this just 37 cents for a loaf of bread. Much better price. Last offer I did was on the Barilla pasta. It's $1.28 at my store. This is actually really hard to find in my area right now because the pasta aisle is like wiped clean. Not sure why. But I had taken a Brandclub survey for $2.50. When I purchased this and synced my Walmart account, I got back that $2.50, making this completely free and a $1.22 moneymaker. Now, questions, let me know down in the comment section below. But if you're an Apple user, I feel like this is an app you want to check out because not only can you do it at Walmart, you can do it at Target, and you can do it with Amazon. And I have played with it at Walmart and Target. I have not messed with it on Amazon yet, but I am assuming it works just like it does at Walmart and Target. And I've had zero issues with the app thus far. So hopefully that gives you more insight into how that works. After I hit that $1 midweek moneymaker bonus on Ibotta, it made all of these products less than $5. $4.62 is the total cost of what these things were. If y'all have questions, let me know. Hope y'all are having a fantastic week. If crazy weather is about to hit you, I hope that you stay warm and safe. Thanks.